Many Americans today complain that government cannot do anything. These people believe that big government harms or destroys everything it touches, as proven by the huge amount of government debt combined with scary levels of poverty and pollution. They ask, why do we have so many problems if government is spending so much money? Their answer is often that government is incapable of spending money wisely to benefit its people. In their mind, big government always leads to big spending and big mistakes. That opinion is false. The American government's problem today is not that it is too big, but that it is too corrupt. Many scholars have proven that the U.S. government is corrupted by an election system that forces politicians to rely on money to win elections. Many politicians have admitted that a candidate's acceptance of big donations from a certain company or industry pushes that candidate, if elected, to shield their donors from important laws aimed at protecting the people. My earlier work, The Machinery of Politics, which can be downloaded for free at machineryofpolitics.com, proposes 6 ideas for reducing corruption in the United States. My goal here is to suggest that the first major things that the newly uncorrupted and objective politicians should do to fix the U.S. budget crisis. The United States government ran a 2011 deficit of $1.26 trillion and has accumulated about $15 trillion in overall debt, which is every yearly deficit added together. The debt is anticipated to grow even more over the next few decades, which could threaten the government's mere existence. In order to bring fiscal balance back to the U.S. budget, we must solve several current and long-term fiscal problems: health insurance costs, Social Security payments, and the military budget. The debt can only be solved by cutting costs within these programs, along with fixing the broken tax code and ending corporate welfare in order to gain more yearly revenue. My proposals for a new, rational U.S. federal budget will cut spending by about $1 trillion per year, while increasing revenue by about another $1.2 trillion a year.